How's it going, guys? It's currently like about to be nighttime, so I'm sorry for the lighting being like really bad. But I just really wanted to film this video because I could not wait to open it. I was really excited. I got this big style bundle sent to me by a lovely lady. She sent me this little style bundle she curated for me. So I'm just gonna open it for you guys today. I'm not sure what's in it at all, but I'm excited to open it. Literally, I'm so excited. This was so sweet of her. She was literally so nice. I just cut my finger. That is not very epic. But I sent her like all my info on Instagram, and I found her off TikTok, and I was like, damn, these style bundles look really good. So I reached out to her. She was like, hell yeah, I'll send you one. And I was like, yes. Alright, opening the box. Here's a card. I'm literally sorry for how dark it is, but I just really wanted to film it now because I genuinely could not wait to open it. Her TikTok is Cute Shit by Lily, and then her Instagram and Depop are Lily Skylar, but I'll link all of it down below. She made a little list of everything I said I like and everything I said I don't like, and all my sizes and everything. Alright, time to unwrap it. I'm really excited! I see a lot of good stuff in here. First thing I picked out this really cool textured shirt. I don't even know how to describe this. Oh, it's like a button up, but it kind of has like a jacket overlay. This is really cool. I love the texture on this. It's this like textured tie-dye thingy, and it's literally the coolest print. Like, look at how cool that is. This is really cool. I really like it. Okay, next is, it's this really like long trench coat. I've been wanting something like this. It's really long, which I think is super cool. Here's the little tag and like all the buttons down the side. This is so cool. Okay, next is, oh, this is so cute. This little furry purple bag. Oh my god, so cute. Definitely see myself wearing this. This is really adorable. Kind of reminds me of like Bratz or like Winx Club. Alright, next. I can tell I'm gonna like this one. This is oh my god, this is my favorite. Nothing can beat this. This is stunning. It's this, halter top, brown, sleeveless thing. Like tie it from the string around your neck. And it's sheer, and it's brown. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. This is honestly like really good. Like, I would buy something like this on Depop for like, probably like way overpriced. I'm really in love with that. Next. She gave me some little socks. These are cute. Little brown socks. Next she gave me these Argyle socks. These launder like Argyle socks. I don't have any like stylish socks, so these are nice to have. Oh, I saw her post this one and I was like, I hope that's for me, and it is for me! I literally saw this and I was like, this better be for me. It's this just like heavily designed blue t-shirt, and you know I'm gonna crop it because I don't really wear t-shirts that much. But I love this design. I've been wanting something that has like angel wings on it, and I think this would look so cute with low-rise jeans. Everything so far has literally been like my size, which is so rare with style bundles. Okay, this is the very last thing that was in my pack. Oh, these are sick. I don't have anything like this. Like neutral toned, like carpenter pants, I guess. They're like straight leg but like wide leg at the same time. And it's a little see-through, which I actually really liked because I kind of like that more scandalous but like not showing very much skin style. And yeah, that's the last thing I have in the bundles. But now I'm gonna do a try on. This top is very much me. I literally love it. I actually tied it in the back because I think I'm gonna crop it like this. So I have it tied right now in the back, so it looks kind of weird. Literally, I love it. This one's so perfect. The brown fits my boobs, the tie, the back. I love this one. This one's definitely my favorite. Okay, I knew I would like this one. Like, what's not to like? It's so simple. It just has the little angel wings. I tied it in the back, so it looks super weird right now. I'll definitely crop this and hem it because you'll never catch me not showing my stomach. I always show my stomach. Because, I don't know. Okay, this is probably not a fit I would wear, but I was too lazy to take it off. But this trench coat is so cool. Kind of looking like a trailer park teen mom right now. That's what this outfit's giving me. But each piece on their own is pretty cool. Okay, this one is kind of a flop. I kind of look like your grandma right now. The design is so pretty, like up close. It's literally so cool. But I'm really short, so these kind of things don't fit me that well. It's looking a little baggy. There's like two separate parts to this. There's like the part that has the string, and then like this button down part. It's such a cool piece, but it just doesn't fit me that well because I'm pretty small. I'm gonna figure out something with this because I really like how the design looks. Like this pattern is really pretty. I'm not gonna try on pants because I'm really lazy, but you saw them earlier. Kind of get the gist. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed opening this. I am always open to supporting small businesses. I literally will always open my DMs, so if you have any question, DM me or comment. I look at every single comment, I look at every single DM. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, you know, the usual. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed this bundle, and I'm glad you guys got to enjoy it with me, so have a good one.